Welcome to the deep dive, and yeah, a special welcome to episode 200 of the AI Brief. I'm Amin.
And I'm Leah.
You know, there's this pattern you see with big tech breakthroughs. They start off super expensive, right? Only for a few.
And then eventually they get cheaper, more available, democratized.
Exactly. And it really feels like robotics and AI generally is right at that tipping point now.
It does feel that way.
So today we're diving deep into some huge shifts happening. We're talking big moves by the tech giants in AI.
The whole evolving scene with AI videos, which is, well, complicated.
Definitely. Plus other big steps forward in AI and actual robots and some cool AI tools you can use, like right now for productivity.
Let's get into it.
Okay, so let's unpack this. Some of the biggest updates hitting the AI world just now. First up, Meta.
What have they been up to?
They just acquired PlayAI. It's a voice AI startup.
Okay.
But here's the key thing. The entire PlayAI team is moving over to Meta. The report to Johan Schalkwyk.
The whole team. Wow, that's significant.
Right. And PlayAI, their main thing is advanced voice tech using AI.
So this isn't just buying tech, it's buying the expertise, the people.
Precisely.
Yeah.
And for you listening, this is more than just another acquisition. It really highlights how central voice AI is becoming.
Like table stakes for the big platforms.
Yeah, almost like owning the voice pipes of the internet is becoming this must-have competitive edge. Is this talent grab the new normal, do you think?
It's definitely a huge part of the strategy, but it's interesting to see the different approaches.
How so?
Well, look at Google. They took a slightly different tack, but in the same, competitive race.
Okay.
They hired Windsurf's CEO, Varun Mohan, the co-founder Douglas Chen, and a bunch of their top researchers.
Hired them directly.
Yeah, and crucially, they also licensed Windsurf's AI coding technology, a non-exclusive license.
Ah, non-exclusive. Interesting.
And this was after, remember OpenAI's big $3 billion deal to buy Windsurf fell through.
Right, I remember that.
So this shows it's not just intense competition for AI coding talent, which it is, but it's also about these big companies being strategic.
How do you mean?
They're acquiring talent and licensing tech. People are calling it a reverse acquire-hire. It lets them get the expertise in tech.
Without maybe triggering the same regulatory flags as a full acquisition.
Exactly. It's a clever way to navigate scrutiny while still boosting their AI capabilities. Could be the new M&A playbook.
That is really interesting, adapting on the fly. And speaking of AI getting, well, everywhere, here's where it gets really fascinating, how it's embedding into tools we use daily. OpenAI.
What about them? Still Sora buzz.
Not just Sora. They're planning to release their own web browser.
A whole browser, like
Right.
Chrome or Edge.
Kind of, but with a native ChatGPT interface built right in.
Okay, tell me more.
Think about it. A built-in AI agent that can do stuff for you, like book reservations, fill out forms right there in the browser.
Wow, an AI assistant baked into the browser itself.
And it's apparently going to be powered by Google's open-source Chromium engine, the same engine Chrome uses.
So potentially a direct competitor to Chrome using Chrome's own foundation. That's bold.
It really is. This could be a huge deal for Google Chrome, obviously. And it just shows that trend, right? AI integration everywhere for better user experience, more automation.
It absolutely points to that future where AI isn't a separate app, it's just part of the experience. But it also brings up questions about, media and creation.
How so?
Well, think about AI-generated videos. The line is getting incredibly blurry.
Yeah. That's a tricky one.
You've got PJ Ace, calls himself an AI filmmaker, did a Popeyes diss track video targeting McDonald's snack wrap,
I think I saw that one.
and a really zany commercial for Kalshi, all AI-assisted.
Okay.
Then there's an AI short film about cloning 600 prompts, 12 days, $500.
Incredible efficiency.
And remember that YouTube short, The Baby Flying a Jet, AI-generated, over 100 million views.
Crazy numbers.
So platforms like YouTube are scrambling. They're trying to demonetize what they call mass-produced or inauthentic AI stuff.
But how do they even tell sometimes?
That's the problem. Sometimes real videos get flagged as fake AI.
Oh, wow.
So the big question is, where do you draw the line? The best AI creators mix AI tools with human editing, human creativity.
Right. It's not purely one or the other.
So should every single video that AI touches get labeled? It's getting harder and harder to define, especially as these tools become more common.
That really is a tough challenge. Blurring lines everywhere. But beyond the digital side, the screens, there's some really fundamental stuff happening quietly with physical AI.
robotics.
Okay, like what?
This ties back to that democratization idea we started with. Hugging Face, the big AI model hub.
Yeah, of course.
They've just opened orders for their Reachy Mini robot.
Reachy Mini.
Yeah, it's an open source workspace companion robot, fully programmable in Python.
Open source and programmable.
Yeah, interesting.
And it gives developers access to Hugging Face's massive library, like 1.7 million AI models.
Wow, access to all those models.
But here's the kicker. The price. It costs about as much as a smartphone.
Seriously, a capable robot for the price of a phone?
Pretty much. This makes advanced robotics accessible to developers who just couldn't afford the super high entry costs before.
That is potentially revolutionary. It lowers the barrier massively.
Does this kickstart a whole new wave of innovation from, like, indie developers?
I think it absolutely could. Putting these tools in more hands almost always sparks creativity. And connecting this to the bigger picture, it means we could see innovation accelerate, maybe leading to performance leaps like we're seeing elsewhere.
Like the robot dog.
Exactly. China's Black Panther 2.0 just became the world's fastest robot dog, faster than Boston Dynamics Spot.
How fast are we talking?
It ran a 100-meter dash in just over 13 seconds. Live demo.
13 seconds. That's nearly Usain Bolt speed for a robot dog.
Pretty much. And breaking speed barriers like that, it usually leads to real-world uses down the line. Logistics, search and rescue, you name it.
Incredible. The physical capabilities are catching up fast. And for anyone wondering about AI's ultimate reach, practical applications.
Yes.
Get this. Johns Hopkins researchers, they've built an experimental surgical robot.
Okay, surgical robots aren't entirely new.
No, but this one is the first ever to perform a complex part of a gallbladder removal autonomously.
Autonomously, without direct human control for that step.
Completely autonomously. It hit 100% accuracy across 8 tests on pig organs.
Wow, that's a huge leap.
It really is.
Yeah.
Think about systems like the Da Vinci robot, amazing tech, but still needs a surgeon controlling it remotely for every single movement.
Right, it's teleoperated.
This autonomous capability, it's a massive step towards, well, something quite different in high-stakes fields like surgery.
Truly groundbreaking stuff. Okay, so bringing it back to the present for people listening who want to use AI now.
Yeah, boost productivity.
Exactly. We've looked at a few trending tools worth mentioning.
Okay, let's hear them.
First, Otter.ai. Great for meetings. It records, automatically takes notes on key points, gives you summaries. Super useful.
Saves a lot of time after calls.
Definitely. Then there's Ubique. This one lets you film yourself once.
Okay.
And it automatically creates over 1,000 personalized prospecting videos from that one recording.
1,000. Personalized. Wow. For sales and outreach.
Then for research folks, Silatus. It helps you pull academic research, product info, market data, apparently 10 times faster.
Speeding up the research process. Nice.
And finally, a simple one, but really handy, Lazy. It lets you save snippets, notes, anything really, from anywhere, with just one keyboard shortcut.
Like a universal quick capture tool.
Exactly. Just making it frictionless to save ideas.
Great list. Some really practical tools there.
Yeah, lots happening on all fronts.
And that pretty much wraps up this deep dive. Wow, we covered a lot.
We did, from those big tech acquisitions and OpenAI's browser plans
to the incredible robotics advances, both accessibility with Hugging Face and performance with that super fast dog, and autonomous surgery.
Plus those AI tools making a difference right now.
It's just so clear, isn't it? AI isn't some niche thing anymore. It's weaving itself into everything, becoming more accessible, more integrated.
Definitely, both digitally and physically.
So here's a thought to leave you with. As physical AI gets cheaper, more available, and these AI agents slide into our daily digital tools, what new ways of interacting or maybe creating do you think will become common first?
That's a good question to ponder.
It's a really exciting moment. Thanks so much for joining us. Make sure you follow the AI Brief wherever you get your deep dives.
And please do share this deep dive with anyone you think wants to keep up with this incredibly fast-moving world of AI and robotics.